Hi again, it's Sue with the Ribbon Print Company, and today we're going to be doing a demonstration on the multi-ribbon adapters. All of you have been asking for this, so here it is. We're ready to demo it. What I want to make sure to clarify is we are not talking about this little plastic part. If you purchased a machine from us, this came with the machine, and it is used if you want to print individual rolls of ribbon 1 inch or narrower. But today we aren't talking about this, so don't have this one in mind. What we are talking about are these 3 aluminum plates. They come in a 3/8 inch, 5/8 inch, and 7/8 inch ribbon width, and it allows you to print multiple rolls of ribbon through your machine at the same time. Come on over and I'll show you how it works in the machine. Okay, here we have our 3 rolls of ribbon that are being fed in through the back of the machine through this external ribbon holder. Okay, and it just feeds in as you would with any ribbon that you're going to print. You can also put ribbon on this holder if you want, either way. And then it funnels down through the machine. And then what you do is you just put your ribbons into the channels of the adapter. There are 3 in the 7/8 inch adapter, 3 in the 5/8 inch adapter, and then 3 in the 7/8 inch adapter, 3 in the 5/8 inch adapter, and 4 in the 3/8 inch adapter. Okay, so you put it in the bottom here, and then you tighten it up with these ribbon holders, and then just make sure that the ribbon is going through the guides properly. Okay, and you can see within the guides there are little indents that really help to hold your ribbon in. Okay, so then all of this is funneling out the front. Now what you are able to do with these adapters in this program is print any type of message on all 3 different ribbons. Any graphics. The only thing that has to stay the same is your foil color. Okay, so the adapter is there, the ribbons are going through, and so we just click in the foil as we would with any program. Okay, shut the lid. And now what we do here is we're actually pulling up a template that will show you exactly where you want to space your wording so that it falls correctly on your ribbon. The templates can be found on the website under download templates or get downloads. And so what we're going to do here is we're actually going to load a design because you're actually going in and grabbing a template. Okay, here I have in Documents, RTPC, the Ribbon Print Company Designs, is where all your stored designs will fall after you've made them within the program. So I have them sitting right here, and I'm going to pull up the 7/8 inch template. And you can see, there it is, and it shows you exactly where you should place your text. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of this, and then I'm going to go to another one that I've already done, and we'll print it up. But here I'm going to pick this first ribbon number, and if I right-click, I can edit my text. And this blue bar, again, designates where the end of the ribbon printing is going to be. But here I can write anything I want. I'm just going to do happy birthday. Okay, I could change the font if I want to. I can make it bold. I can make it a little narrower if I wanted to. Okay, now you're not going to want to make it larger up and down, okay, because then you're going to fall off the length of your ribbon. But you can make it wider, you can make it smaller, you can add a graphic if you wanted. Here, why don't I just put in edit text again. I'll do congratulations. Okay, maybe I want to make this bigger. Potentially add in an image. Let's see, I think I have some fireworks in the stock images, so I'll just add that in just to show you, how you can put in graphics. And again, you can do all the things with the software with these multi-templates as you would do with a regular design in terms of sizing them, rotating them, skewing them, whatever you want to do. Okay, here I would rotate. Okay, the only thing you want to do is make sure you stay in the same spacing of the template. Okay? Now I'm going to get rid of this one in a minute, but what you should always do is one of 2 things after you've designed in one of your templates. you should either just go ahead and print your job and then not save it, or you should save this as and save it in another name. And the reason you would do that is you don't want to destroy your original template that just said ribbon 1, ribbon 2, ribbon 3. But if you do, no worries, because you can always go back to the website and grab another one if you needed to. So there's a couple options there. Now, I'm not going to save any of this because I already have a template that I want to use. So I'm going to go back to Load Design. And I had another template that I was interested in using. Just for the demonstration purposes today. Okay, here, I am not going to save this because I want to keep my template the same. And I want to go back into Documents, My Ribbon Printing Designs. Okay, that's where all of your designs will lay. And here I did a sample here for you that's already done up and designed. Okay, you can see it here. And I'm going to go ahead and print. And one thing I want to tell you about what I'm printing is I am putting on these ribbons our new metallic blue foil, which is very cool, and I specifically wanted to show you that today with this demo. I'm finding we have a metallic blue and a metallic red now, and I'm finding that those work beautifully on darker colors like blacks, navies. Here we've got a red and an orange. So great for like sports teams, that kind of thing in terms of printing. So here I'm going to go over to my print manual. I'm going to print 4 of these for us. And your ribbon adapter is not inserted. Okay, the ribbon adapter would be inserted, again, if you're using this little plastic piece, not if you're using the metal ones, okay? And I do find that on these metallics, I want to go up to about a 15 or a 16. So I'm going to print 4, and let's see how beautifully they come out. Look at that. Isn't that blue cool? And you can see it's all going through, it's funneling properly through that plate that's sitting underneath, so you could just let this go and walk away. Okay, the other nice thing is, let's say you didn't have 4 that you needed to do, you only needed to do 2, you could just utilize the first couple of slots within these adapters. And then you'd have a whole portion of your foil that hasn't been used yet, and you can go ahead and go back and use that another time. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, and we've got all these ribbon adapters, the multi-ribbon adapters in stock. So if you want to take a shot at using these for your larger jobs, we'd love to hear from you. Any questions, give us a call. As always, I'm Sue with the Ribbon Print Company, and we can be reached at 888-289-8101. Goodbye.